As we look ahead to this year, the future of landscaping promises innovative designs that harmonize aesthetics with functionality. One of the most captivating trends is the use of symmetrical design in front yard landscaping, creating a visually appealing and balanced environment. This approach not only enhances the curb appeal of your home, but also provides a sense of order and tranquility. Imagine a front yard adorned with manicured shrubs that frame the entrance, adding a touch of elegance and structure. These shrubs can be complemented by an array of flowering plants, which introduce bursts of color and vibrancy throughout the seasons. Incorporating conical evergreens into the design adds height and a unique silhouette, ensuring that your front yard remains visually interesting year-round. A well-planned paved walkway serves as a functional and aesthetic element, guiding guests toward your front steps. This pathway can feature circular accents that not only enhance the overall design, but also create focal points, drawing the eye toward the entrance of your home. The front steps design should be carefully considered, integrating seamlessly with the walkway and inviting visitors to approach. In addition to these features, the use of stone accents on the house facade can elevate the overall appearance of your property. These natural elements bring texture and warmth, making your home stand out within the neighborhood. To add an extra layer of interest, strategically placed potted plants can provide verticality and a dynamic touch to the landscape, allowing you to showcase a variety of plant species while optimizing your space. As we embrace the future of landscaping, these front yard ideas reflect a sophisticated blend of design principles and practicality. With a focus on sustainable practices and aesthetic appeal, your front yard can become an inviting oasis that welcomes guests and enhances the beauty of your home for years to come. Consider these innovative ideas as you plan your landscaping project, and be prepared to impress with a stunning outdoor space that resonates with the trends of this year.